Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 3 Placid Place, the epitome of relaxed luxury for those looking for that private getaway.
I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own.
You thought it couldn't get any better until you saw this shed. 15 metres long, 7.5 metres wide, and a 3-metre opening, and 18 power points. Vaulted ceilings on the entry. Desirable street appeal.
Why don't we just get a place together?
Spectacular outdoor entertaining overlooking lush private grounds.
We can get wide walls with big windows.
Freshwater heated in-ground pool.
Up on the 3rd floor in our chateau.
5 bedrooms, master with ensuite and walk-in robe.
Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
All this set on 1606 square metre block of land. This is one of the homes you dream of.